Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Natural Health Clinic. Today, I would like to discuss about the number eighth health problem all over the world, and that is our gastrointestinal tract, or we call it gut. Basically, in other fields of medicine, uh, they don't give importance to the gut, but in naturopathy, and especially in my practice, that is my first top priority. Why? You know, we work every day very hard to make money, right? For what reason? Just for our tummy, right? The same way, our whole body works just for what? Food. And that food and nutrients is provided by your gut. So, according to me, the gut is the top most important organ in our body. So, we need to take care of the gut if we have any other problem, because most of the problems they are originated from the gut. So the clean and clear gut should be the first priority if you want to cure any other disease. Gut, it starts from definitely from your mouth, and then it goes all the way down. You know, this is all your GI tract. You know, and before we go down in our stomach and towards our intestines and towards the colon, you need to understand, is there any problem in your oral health? First, you need to take care of your oral health. If you have cavities, take care of that cavities. If you have gingivitis or infection in the gums, you need to take care of that one. So, first take care of your oral health, then we can move forward. There are a lot of gut uh, diseases. I don't want to go in details because it's a lot of diseases. I'm just gonna talk about few of them, and rest of everything you can find in my upcoming book, Treat Me Nature. And you know, if you have any other question, just shoot me an email. As I said many times, treatmenature@gmail.com. So, how the gut problem starts? This is very important. Whenever there is imbalance between the good organisms and the bad organisms, I mean to say, whenever the bad organisms ratio is higher than the good organisms, the gut started messing up. In our language, we call it dysbiosis. So, this is very important that this imbalance should be taken care of right away. Otherwise, the mess will gonna be started messing up. Then the fungus will also started growing on that. I already discussed about many times Candida albicans, and then it started messing up more and more and more, and your gut will gonna be in a more bad shape. So for dysbiosis, you should do for dysbiosis is the probiotics. Probiotics comes in a tablet form. Any good probiotics, what is basically a probiotic is it's a combination of good organisms, good bacteria. So it comes in a tablet form, capsule form, whatever form is available. You can take it every day before your breakfast or with your breakfast, one tablet every day. Or if you don't want to take any tablet, my recommendation is you need to eat fresh, organic, unsweet, plain yogurt every day. And if you add some little bit flaxseed powder on your yogurt, it helps rejuvenate your cells in your GI tract, as well as it is very helpful in dysbiosis. So this is the first thing you're gonna do. Now, definitely when there is a dysbiosis will gonna be start, it means that the fungus is already in your intestinal layers. I already explained that how you detoxify your gut in previous videos, but let me again tell you, you're gonna make the fresh carrot juice, then you can add some garlic in that, add some ginger, make a juice with that, and then drink that juice 4 ounces every day for a few weeks. That will take care of your fungal infection in your GI tract. In many diseases, there is inflammation in the GI tract, and but all this inflammation and everything is, I already explained that this is because of the imbalance of the organisms. So if you take care of the organisms, majority of your GIT problems, they are going to go away. So the neat and clear GIT tract is very important. So now come to the different steps that what you should do in your daily life to make sure that your gut is in a good shape. Number one, as I said many times, your lemon water with baking soda is very important. That is required for detoxification of your gut too. Number one, you need to drink every day. Number two, plain yogurt, as I said, eat every day plain yogurt. Then you need to make some fresh ginger tea. Crush your little bit ginger, make a tea, and you need to drink the tea almost every day if you have any GIT problems. So start drinking that fresh ginger tea, and until you're going to get rid from your disease. But my uh, advice is you need to keep drinking it throughout your life. That will maintain your GI tract forever. Another thing you can do is aloe vera juice. Maybe in some countries the aloe vera juice is not available, but aloe vera is available. So you what you're going to do is just buy the aloe vera, cut it into half, and then there is a gel inside. So you can just scoop from your table or teaspoon, get that gel, and just eat it. Or you can make a juice with that, whatever the way you like it. Take that aloe vera gel. That is also that soothes your GIT linings and also rejuvenate your dead cells in the GIT tract. So that is also very important for inflammation inside the gut, which creates a lot of problems. The best spice, I already told you many times, is turmeric powder. So you can use turmeric powder either in your hot milk, or you can just in your, any solution you like it, just drink it, you know, and that will take care of your inflammation in your GI tract. Couple of important problems. They are very common. Let's talk about that. Like for example, a lot of people have hyperacidity. So hyperacidity, the immediate relief, definitely everything, this hyperacidity is because of your diet style. The more oily food, the more food from restaurants, the more fast food, the more junk food you're eating, it creates a mess in your GI system. And all that hyperacidity is because of that junk food. Try to adjust your diet first, you know, definitely eat fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, add into your food, and then just concentrate on the white meat, fish, chicken. That is better, you know. So modify your diet. But for the immediate hyperacidity, what you're going to do is you have a couple of remedies. Number one, you can in your lukewarm water add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, stir it, and drink it. You're going to get relief right away, and keep drinking it, for a few weeks until you're going to get your hyperacidity will gonna be settled down. But hyperacidity is another topic which we need to discuss because it has other impacts or other aspects which I don't want to discuss right now. I'm just giving you the quick remedy. If you do not have the apple cider vinegar in your home, then what you're gonna do is take half teaspoon of baking soda and add in your lukewarm water in a glass, stir it and drink it. You'll also get a relief from the hyperacidity right away. So these are a couple of things you can do it when you are in a trouble. The another problem is the constipation. It's a very common problem, and that is again I'm going to say that this is because of your irregular diet habit. So for the what you're going to do is you can take psyllium husk, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk. You can add in your water or milk, whatever you like, and before you go to bed, just drink it uh, every day until you're gonna get relief from the constipation. You know, uh, so these are the common things you can do about your gut. And as I explained, that gut is the most important organism. A lot of the diseases it started from the gut. So please make sure what I told you. You need to advice. I'm going to give you advice on just follow all these little bit steps, and your gut will be in a good shape. But again and again, I'm telling you, please modify your diet. That your diet is the main thing which will gonna take care of your gut. I'm your host, Dr. Mateen Zar. Today we talked about a little bit about the gut. If you have any specific disease you need to discuss with me, shoot me an email at treatmenature@gmail.com, and I will try my best uh, to take care of your question as soon as possible. Stay healthy, adopt the natural ways of living, take care of yourself. Have a good night.